Everybody played well. Everybody played well.
Whichever poise.
With it, poise. We played with purpose, and we outwilled them in the last 8 minutes. All right?
They quit.
We outwilled them in the last 8 minutes. All right? We had fresh bodies. We had guys come off the bench giving you nice blows. I just want to be fresh. If we're fresh down the stretch, and we right there, we're gonna spurt everybody this time of year. This is not November Hawaii basketball, December Hawaii. This is March Hawaii basketball. All right. If they right there, if they even close to us with 6, 7 minutes left, we're gonna spurt them every time. We're gonna spurt them every time. It's our game. All right. Let's get back. Let's get off our feet. Let's get up. Let's go. Let's go. We going to the ship. We going to the ship. We going to the ship. 1, 2, 3.